Galaxy Buds Plus review. Please take 3 seconds to subscribe to our channel. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are an improved version of the older Samsung Galaxy Buds Truly Wireless. They look and feel identical and have the same sleek, compact design. Their out-of-the-box sound profile is very well balanced, and their companion app is available for iOS as well as Android, unlike the older model's Android-only app. They have a much longer continuous battery life, with over 13 hours of playback time from a single charge, which is very impressive for a pair of truly wireless headphones. Unfortunately, their touch-sensitive controls can be a little finicky. Still, if you're looking for a versatile pair of truly wireless in-ears, these are a good choice. These in-ears are quite comfortable. They shouldn't put pressure on your inner ear and don't enter your ear canal too deeply. They're also very lightweight, so you should be able to wear them for extended periods without experiencing any discomfort. Like most truly wireless earbuds, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus are very small and can easily be tossed into pockets or a bag. Even their charging case is on the smaller side and should fit into most pockets. The control scheme of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is slightly disappointing. Their easy-to-use touch-sensitive controls mean that you don't have to push the earbuds further into your ear when you press a button, which is nice, but unfortunately, it makes it easy to accidentally press a button and difficult to use the controls while wearing gloves. The headphones give a bit of audio feedback when pressing buttons, which is nice, and the controls give you access to the most common music, call-related controls. You can also customize a long press to a few things, including volume adjustment, which is great. You can also set the edge of the earbud's touch sensor to adjust your volume up, down with a double tap. These in-ears feel quite well made overall. Both the case and the earbuds themselves are made from dense plastic and feel like they should easily withstand a few accidental drops or bumps. They're rated IPX2 for basic water protection, though this isn't something we currently test for. The charging case for these headphones is great. Its hinge stays open at any angle, which feels secure. It feels quite premium and is made from solid and high-grade plastic. It also supports Qi-enabled wireless charging, which is nice. These headphones feel very stable in the ear. They come with 3 different sizes of tips and stability fins to help get a good fit, and they should stay in place even during more strenuous workouts. The out-of-the-box sound profile of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is well balanced. Its bass response delivers adequate thump and rumble, vocals and lead instruments are present and clear, and sibilants are detailed without being overly piercing or harsh. If that's not to your liking, their companion app features 6 different EQ presets to better suit your preferences. Like most in-ear headphones, the frequency response consistency of these headphones is outstanding. Once you achieve a proper fit using the included tips, you should experience consistent bass and treble responses every time you use them. The bass accuracy of these headphones is remarkable. The entire range is very neutral, so bass will be present but won't sound overpowering or boomy. If fans of genres like EDM and hip-hop may find them a bit lacking in this respect, they can use the Bass Boost Equalizer preset in the app, though we don't test the sound profile with any EQ presets applied. The noise isolation performance of these headphones is acceptable. While they do a great job at blocking out background chatter and the higher frequency sound of an AC unit, they block almost no bass range sounds. This means that they won't help much with blocking out the low rumble of bus or plane engines. The battery performance of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is very good, and a big improvement over the older Samsung Galaxy Buds. They supply over 13 hours of continuous playback time, which is especially impressive for a pair of truly wireless in-ears and comfortably outlasts the advertised figure of 11 hours. Unfortunately, their case only holds 1 additional charge, though their overall battery life is still excellent. They also advertise an additional hour of playback from 3 minutes of charging, but we don't test for this. Unlike the previous version, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus have a dedicated companion app for both Android and iOS. Like the previous version, they use the Galaxy Wearable app on Android, while they now have a separate app for iOS called Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Both apps give you access to 5 different EQ presets, as well as button mapping for the long hold of the button on either ear and adjustable, ambient sound, settings, so you can select how much of your surrounding audio is played back into your ears. While there is also a program called Samsung Galaxy Buds Manager, available for both Windows and Mac OS. This program doesn't give you access to all the customization options and appears to just be for updating the headphones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.